guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to all of my crew members who are my subbies, and welcome if you are watching this video and my channel for the very first time. Just to reintroduce myself, I'm Desiree Marie and I do all sorts of videos. I do hair videos because I have locks. I do hairstyling videos, you know, funky, fresh, unique styles. I do home decor in my first one-bedroom apartment. And I do a little daily vlogging as well. So if you're interested in any of those things, definitely do subscribe and turn on your notifications because I post every day. So you have something fresh and new every day. But anyway, today I want to update you guys on our little guest dreadlock situation. If you saw my last video, you know that I started locks on Twinkie. Twinkie is my little Pomeranian dog. And yeah, I just did it as a fun little experiment. I used my, which gel was it? I used my flaxseed gel and I like lightly twisted the top of her little head. It was the funniest thing. You guys thought it was the funniest thing. You guys were cracking up. One of you guys said that it made your day. And I'm so happy about that. It made my day just watching the video. I think I watched it many times as well. But I wanted to update you guys and, you know, answer some of your questions. I know you're probably wondering, well, did it work? Did Twinkie's dreadlocks actually form? Well, I want to bring our little guest. Hey, Twinkie. Yes, as you guessed, she combed out her locks and she got herself a little cut. Yeah, she ended her dreadlock journey. Jason decided that he would bring her to the pet shop and get her a nice little cut. So right now she has a funny little, they call it a lion cut, when the they keep all the furriness on the head and shave the body just for the summertime. And her tail is so cute. It looks like a little magic wand. So cute, I love it. So Twinkie can be nice and cool in the summertime. She doesn't have to worry about all that extra hair and, you know, her little booty toots. I'm not gonna expose you like that, Twinkie. Her little booty toots is all clean and shaved and stuff. So now she can poop and do whatever she wants without any type of mess. I love my baby. What do you think about your new do, baby? What do you think about your new do? So, I mean, if you're thinking about a hairstyle that she's got, I think she did herself a little fro. So yeah, she's back to being all natural with her fro, her TWA, teeny weeny fro. Twinkie, you're not gonna tell the people what you think? What do you think, sweet baby? She is over it. I love you. So in addition to showing you guys her new cut, I wanted to show you guys a few of her little outfits that look the cutest with this new cut, with her little new style going on. You see her new hair, who dis? So I picked a few outfits that I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see her little outfits of the day. Right, Twinkie, you excited? Oh, sweet baby. So she's got a little bow from the pet shop. I'll try to put it on her head if she would let me. She won't let me do anything on top of her head. Aww, what a good baby. Oh, look at Twinkie. Alright, so here is outfit number 1. Yes, boo, yes. Outfit number 1, she's looking cute and sassy with her pink bow with a little bit of lace and silk. And her little shawl, her shawl that she's got just wrapped around her little body. It is lined with beautiful embroidery. These cute little flowers, which are so adorable. Trying to focus on it. There we go. And she's just looking as cute as can be. Let's see you walk a little bit, baby. Yes, boo. Give them a catwalk. She only goes where I'm going right now. Yes, girl, you're looking cute. Come here, sweetie. All right, outfit number 2. Oh, so cute. Twinkie, you look so adorable. So this is outfit number 2. It is a cute little polka dot number with some cute rose embroidery, what do you call them? Floral little details along the back, and cute little poofy skirts. And she's got her nice bow. You like this outfit, baby? You like it? Yes, Twinkie, work it. Give them that walk. The catwalk. The catwalk. Oh my gosh, so funny. Alright, let's take this one off. And we do outfit number 3. 2 more outfits, baby. Just this one and the next one. This one is a little hot for the season, but I just wanted to show because it looks so cute on you. Don't worry, baby. I'm gonna put it on and take it back off again. Twinkie's 3rd outfit. It is a crochet number with floral details, cute little stitching patterns. This is perfect for winter. It's a little hot, but I wanted to show you guys because I thought she looked so adorable with it. Yes, boo, you look cute. Yes. Give them that walk. Yes, boo. Yes, Twinkie. She wants her belly rubbed now. Alright, baby. One more outfit. Our last outfit. Come on, sweetie. I love you, sweet baby. You look so beautiful. Twinkie's looking bad to the bone in her t-shirts with a bunch of emojis. Yes, girl, bless you. Bless you. Looking bad to the bone. Sweetie, we gotta show the other side. Come, get up. We gotta show this side. She's got all sorts of emojis. So cute. You like this t-shirt? This is more comfy. More summer appropriate, right? You look so sweet in all of these different outfits, sweetie. You look so beautiful. Yes, boo. She knows just what to do. The camera loves you, girl. Okay, guys, so there you go. That is what is up with Twinkie's hair. She only lasted a week before she realized she just wanted to comb out her locks and get her hair done and her nails done. Oh, but how do you feel, sweetie? You look happier. I love you so much. So there you go, guys, and those are 4 outfits. If you guys want me to do these things more often, definitely do let me know down below because she is the cutest thing ever. Look at you. Oh, I love it. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to see many of these types of videos, and definitely do comment down below your favorite look on Twinkie, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Later, guys. Bye.